Hello everyone, this is Mainav from Civil Center and welcome all back to our channel, and which time in this particular time we talk about of some aspects of our site. So today we are going to talk about our PCC, or the plain cement concrete below the window sill level. We all know about plain cement concrete, but why is it provided below the window sill level? We'll discuss. So before that, we'll show you like a picture of the site in which you can, those of you not gone to the site, do not know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this is the brickwork as you are seeing. So now it is in this case a 3 to 4 inches PCC or plain cement concrete is given in the side below the window, and some portion is taken extra in this side as well. And see the next picture that this much portion is taken extra here. This much portion is not required, but exactly if it's a 5 feet window, then you can take 1 feet or 6 inches from this side and 6 inches from this side. So it is taken around 8 inches on this side and some more in this side. So, but you can provide 6 inches extra on both sides. So this is provided, as you can see, this is provided below the window, uh, and it is also called the window sill level. So it is called the PCC at the window sill level, or the below the window sill level. So why is it provided? So we'll know exactly this particular thing in today's video. So I have tried to assemble some points of why is it required. So firstly, we know that the window, this we have already discussed. So firstly, we know that where the window sill level is provided is already seen in the picture. Now the reasons. The first reason is for giving a smooth surface for window placement. So now when we place the windows, we place the windows in the our brickwork. So like this, in the place in the brickwork, top of the brickwork will not be that much uniform. So providing you can get a cannot get a it's literally impossible to get a smooth finish. And if you are giving even a normal plaster or normal cement mortar, then also it will wear off because we'll fix the window frame and it will have a lot of load, and it will also result in cracks. So plaster is cannot be done here. It will not bear the loads and other impacts of the windows process. So that's why the PCC is given. And the go for the smooth surface. And the next reason is to prevent a percolation of water in that area. So as you can see, the window is always exposed to water, so water will come from below and in the sides. So if this portion open portion is exposed to or open portion of bricks is exposed to outside, then the water may percolate. Then you might ask that in the outside also we are having plaster, then water doesn't percolate. Yes, outside we are having plaster, but in this portion especially, more there are more chances of water being percolated here, because this is entire opening portion. So that's why in this particular portion the PCC or the concrete is given for 3 to 4 inches. And the next reason which we can come up with is to prevent cracks. So now, as we already discussed this, like if you are fixing the windows, there will be some frames around it, and there will be frames below also. So if you provide a stable base, the third and the fourth point is the same, to provide support to the window frame. When you fix the window frame, to provide a suitable base for the window frame, the PCC is given, because it will be fixed along the sides and along this left and the right side. For preventing cracks, we can give the chicken mesh. We can use the chicken mesh for the plaster along the left and the right as well. And then in the top, obviously, we'll have the lintel level, which will show you in another video. The lintel level effects, benefits of the and uses of the lintel level. But here we have, if you sum up all the points, basically the PCC is given to give a smooth surface for the window frame, to prevent the percolation of the water, to prevent cracks, and give a hard surface or a suitable base for the window frame, because a window frame can be of any metal. It can be of UPVC, it can be of wood, it can be of aluminum, but we need, or it can be even of iron windows. So to give or mild steel. So to give like a stable base to it, this is provided, and you can see, and some portion extra is provided. So during estimation also, when you're estimating the cost and the quantities of various materials, you also consider that. So for more knowledge of and practical concepts of site, follow our channel and also like our channel, because our team takes a lot of effort in making these small videos. And if you support and like our channel, it will be noticed in the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching. Wherever you are, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.